First, measure width of topper, then mark at center. Next, center third brake light at mark, using light as template to make 2 additional marks at screw locations. Make one 1-inch horizontal slit in topper at center location, then make 2 horizontal 1/4-inch slits at screw locations, ensuring to cut through both layers. Route wire through center slit in topper. Place third brake light on topper. Insert 2 screws through outer slits in topper and secure with lock washers and nuts. Lastly, route wiring to desired location for connection to vehicle power wire. Refer to manufacturer's recommendations to complete vehicle power wiring.